Good morning, everybody. Troy from DIY Tube Video Community. We were supposed to launch at 9 a.m. this morning, but there are some little hiccups. So we will be launching today sometime. We will be announcing everything on our Telegram, so I'm going to put the link down below. I'll make this brief. For those of you who are interested in mining or setting up a masternode or just getting some coins, watch the top of the homepage for announcements on DIY Tube Video Community. We'll have announcements on there. Check out the coin website, DIYTubeCoin.com, and click the mining link. It tells you how to set up your wallet, how to set up your computer processor for mining. In a couple days we'll release it for graphic card mining for the big mining rigs. And also it tells you in detail how to set up a masternode. When we launch, after we've mined the first block, we can't do it before, we'll release the wallets to the world and all the software. Everything's going to go public, the blockchain software. Everything will be live and spread out to the public. Watch DIY Tube Video homepage for minute-by-minute updates and Telegram. Actually, DIY Tube will tell you when we go live. There will be an announcement under the title. The minute we go live, it'll be there. And if you want to get involved, go ahead and set up a DIY Tube Video account. And then you can see the wallets will be on top. You'll be able to, there's a drop down and you'll see buy DIY Tube coins. You'll be able to buy coins for use inside DIY Tube Video Community, or for setting up your masternode, or for promoting your channel or your video. So check it out, it will be there. And join the Telegram. I'll put the link below. That's live, minute-by-minute updates on Telegram, and anything and everything happens there. So check it out, guys. We'll see you there. This is a big, big day for DIY Tube Video Community. Talk to you later.